Department of Justice has charged billionaire industrialist Gautam Adani and 7 others for allegedly bribing or offering to bribe over $250 million to Indian state government officials for securing solar energy contracts. Another charge is of raising money for the same projects in the United States by promising that the company abided by the anti-bribery laws. Now, as per this statement by the U.S. Attorney's Office for Eastern District of New York, between 2020 and 2024, senior executives conspired to misrepresent companies' anti-bribery practices to U.S. investors and international financial institutions, essentially trying to say that the bribery aspect was concealed. This document, however, also mentions that the charges in the indictment are allegations and that the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. In a detailed statement by the Adani Group now, the allegations have been denied and the group has called them baseless. In fact, they've highlighted the point mentioned in the report that these are mere allegations and all possible legal recourse would be sought. So amid this, the controversy continues back home as well, with the Congress party demanding action against Gautam Adani. In fact, Rahul Gandhi also addressed media earlier today where he said that Adani should be arrested based on the allegations against him. So a war of words has broken out over the Congress and the BJP, speaking about the same, with the Congress party demanding action over the allegations by the U.S. prosecutor against Gautam Adani. The Congress in a statement has said that this vindicates the demand for a JPC investigation into the various charges against Adani. Not just that, the Lok Sabha leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has launched an all-out attack seeking the immediate arrest of Gautam Adani.
It's now pretty clear and established in America that Mr. Adani has broken both American law and Indian law. He's been indicted in the United States, and I'm wondering why Mr. Adani is still running around a free man in this country. Chief ministers have been arrested, and Mr. Adani has done apparently one 2,000 crore scam, multiple others probably, but he's scot-free, and it's a vindication of what we've been saying. The Prime Minister is protecting Mr. Adani, and the Prime Minister is involved in corruption with Mr. Adani.
So amid the politics that has broken out, let's go across to senior news editor Bhavtosh Singh joining us on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, take us through the details of the case, the politics of it aside, the statement that has come in from the Adani Group on the allegations.
Well, Adani Group have denied all the charges. They have said that these charges are completely baseless, but at the same time, they will also be fighting the case in New York, where the Department of Justice has in fact filed the indictment or charge sheet in Indian parlance. Now, the charges, Pratibha, are very serious. They have said that between 2020 and 2024, Gautam Adani, his nephew Sagar Adani and others, at least 5 of them who are top executives of the company, they have paid a bribe of around $235 million, which comes at around 2,350 crore rupees to Indian government officials. These Indian government officials have not formally been named, and this was done to in fact generate profit of around $2 billion over a period of 2 decades. Now, they have said that this is corrupt practices because the companies are listed in US. Now, yesterday this happened just hours after Adani Group sold off the green bonds worth at least $600 million. Now, the Department of Justice have filed their indictment order. They unsealed it. At the same time, the Security Exchange Commission have also filed a civil case again against Gautam Adani, his nephew Sagar Adani. What has happened as far as this case is concerned is that Sagar Adani, there was a search warrant against him, and his mobile phone was in fact it was seized, it was forensically examined, and they claim, the DOJ claims that there is evidence to an effect that there was technical evidence that he was tracking the bribe amount. These are the charges that have been leveled, but at the same time DOJ has also said that till the trial gets completed, all the accused in this case are presumed innocent.
Okay, all right. Well, others in the India bloc are also mounting the offensive on the BJP following the developments in the United States. Listen into these reactions.
जनाब, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि जेपीसी डिमांड की गई है और मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि मरकज़ की हुकूमत इसको सीरियसली लेगी और इसकी पूरी तहकीकात करेगी कि कैसे हुआ है और इसकी वजह क्या है। उससे पहले भी आरोप लगे हुए हैं, क्योंकि मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ जानता नहीं हूँ। इतना ही कहूँगा कि इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए। देखिए, मैं राहुल गांधी के स्टेटमेंट के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहूँगा, सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो ये बहुत ही तशवीश का मामला है और मैं समझता हूँ कि मरकज़ को इसको भूलना नहीं चाहिए। इस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन अपनी तरफ से भी करनी चाहिए।
जिस तरीके से आरोप सिद्ध हुए हैं, कन्विक्शन हुआ है, इंडाइटमेंट हुआ है, काश अगर हमारी खुद की इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज जब इस तरीके की रिपोर्ट सामने आई थी उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते, फ्री एंड फेयर मैनर में करते हैं। एक जो कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस की बात करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, उसको ध्यान में रखकर अगर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट पे कोई कार्रवाई इन द सेंस कि उनसे कहें नियम कानूनों का पालन करें, पर हमने देखा कैसे एजेंसीज भी उनको डिफेंड करने में लगी हुई थी। सेबी आज तक उन पे आरोप नहीं सिद्ध कर पाई है, बल्कि दूसरे कोर्ट्स में वो आरोप सिद्ध हो गए हैं।
पूरे दुनिया में अडानी ग्रुप ने भारत का नाम मिट्टी में मिलाने में अपनी भूमिका निभाई है। बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है। जितने भी मामले अब तक के पेंडिंग हैं, सबकी जांच सुप्रीम कोर्ट की मॉनिटरिंग में एक जांच एजेंसी के द्वारा कराई जानी चाहिए और जो भी भ्रष्टाचार उन्होंने कर रखा है देश के अंदर और देश के बाहर, उसका सच देश के सामने आना चाहिए और उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
वहाँ के कोर्ट ने सम्मन किया है और वहाँ $1 मिलियन का इन्होंने ब्राइबरी करी है सोलर एनर्जी में। तो भारत का कोर्ट तो है नहीं जो कुछ नहीं करेगा। राफेल में कुछ नहीं किया, सेबी में भी कुछ नहीं किया। ये अमेरिका का कोर्ट है। जो भी आएगा जांच के घेरे के अंदर, लेकिन जांच होने नहीं पाएगी। मोदी जी हैं बचाने के लायक। जब हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट में बच गया वो आदमी, और हाँ, अमेरिका की अदालत में केस चलेगा तब तो नहीं बचेंगे। वहाँ तमाम सेलिब्रिटी, तमाम बिजनेसमैन अमेरिका की जेलों में बंद पड़े हुए हैं।
Now, the BJP has hit back at the Congress party and the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. They claim that the Congress is trying to malign India to target the Prime Minister.
फिर राहुल गांधी जी ने पीसी किया है। आज फिर उन्होंने उसी प्रकार का व्यवहार दिखाया है, उसी प्रकार से अपने विषय को रखा है जैसे वो पहले रखते थे। कोई नया पीसी नहीं है। वो चंद नाम उनके पास है, चंद तरीका उनके पास है और उसी प्रकार से वो लगातार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं और मोदी जी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ऊपर आक्षेप लगाने का प्रयास उनका रहता है। आप याद करिए जिस प्रकार से एक रहता है, इस प्रकार से बोलते हैं जैसे पता नहीं पहली बार कोई सुन रहा हो, कितना बड़ा खुलासा हो रहा है। तो ये राहुल जी का एक तरीका है भारतवर्ष के ऊपर हमला करने का और भारत के जो स्ट्रक्चर्स भारत को बचाते हैं उसके ऊपर हमला करने का।
It seems Congress can go to any extent in order for their virod. They can even descend to Desh Virod. First, using a half-baked Hindenburg report, which was junked by the Supreme Court of India. Now they have found another report. Ironically, the report itself says that the charges are in the form of allegations as of now. They need to be proven in a court of law. They will take investment from the same group in Telangana. They will take investment from the same group in Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan when Gehlot and Baghel were the chief ministers. And then they will abuse the same group. And now in abusing one group, they will abuse the country itself. And that too before parliament session. Each time parliament session comes, there is some kind of foreign report which is used to disrupt and disturb the